Removing the rear lights on the second generation Volvo V40. Removing the rear lights requires removal of the rear bumper and quite a lot of interior trim. You actually need to start in the back of the car, as you need to remove this panel. So drop the seat, Now the reason you need to remove this panel is because one of the 8mm securing bolts is located up there. Now to remove the bumper, you've got 5 T25 Torx in each wheel arch. Two more T25 Torx screws underneath. Now you've removed all the fixings, you can start pulling the bumper away from the car, starting at the wheel arch and following it up to the light. On the driver's side, you've got the wiring harness, and then do the same on the other side of the car. So you've got two 8mm bolts that you can now get to underneath the light fitting. Now you've got the bolts out, you can either disconnects the wiring before or after removing the fitting. I'll do it before. So that's the one for the LED side lights and main harness. Now, you see the black plastic bit there? That's holding the fitting in position. So you'll just need to catch that with your hand to release the fitting. So grab a fitting and release that tab inside. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. For more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel and subscribe.